today I'm going to show you how to make an honesty wreath for Christmas that is sustainable and will last year round, but you can use it at Christmas time. All I've got is a floristry wire wreath base made out of metal. I've got my snips, I've got some floristry wire already attached on the ring, and I'm going to start putting the honesty around it. Then lastly we're going to decorate it with a nice velvet ribbon for Christmas. Now, honesty is a biennial and it grows best in a woodland environment, moist but free draining, and the flowers are lovely and purple usually in spring and have a lovely seed head that then follows later in the year, and it's great for decorating your dry seed heads at this time of year at Christmas. So it's very windy today, so bear with me while I'm going to attach this honesty. And what I've done is I've sprayed it gold to give it an extra bit of shimmer, and it's quite lightweight, but we're going to just gently put it around the wreath. Then to finish it off, you're just going to attach the wire onto the back of the metal frame, and then we're just going to add a nice velvet ribbon onto the back. Now this plant is great, the seed head, you can use it to even decorate your Christmas tree, use it in any sort of floral dry arrangements in the winter time. It's papery, it looks gorgeous, and all we have to do now is just add a nice velvet ribbon onto the bottom. So just add that. You'll be able to hang that on your front door or in your own home as well at Christmas time. And you can change the ribbon up for any time of year as well. Now, if you've enjoyed this content, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Thank you.